Good afternoon from London. So recently just gone through that European cash market close. So finished in positive territory today, up around 2 to 3% in the major indices. Two main events today were the BOE rate decision, so they left it unchanged at 0.5%. That was fairly expected. However, a bit of a surprise on the asset purchase target. They increased it by £75 billion to £275 billion. So a bit of weakness seen in the sterling currency there. Quite a move lower in cable of around 150 pips. And then the next event was the ECB rate decision. So they also left it unchanged at 1.5%. A lot of analysts had been expecting a rate cut, so it was a bit of a surprise. However, the most interesting comments came during the ECB press conference hosted by Trichet, his final press conference as president. Now, he said that they were going to launch two longer-term refi operations, a 12-month and 13-month, and they were also going to conduct 3-month LTROs as well. Trichet also said the ECB would restart covered bond purchases and total around €40 billion. Now, at the same time as this press conference, we also got an announcement that Greek debt swap had been delayed, and that was amid debt restructuring. That was according to a report, so quite an interesting comment there. Now, in terms of the US, at the same time, or just before the press conference, we had the weekly initial jobless claims number. So last time we got a really good number. That was 391,000, so below that 400,000 level. This time came in at 401,000. It was forecast for 410,000, so again, a good beat there. And that was just before Obama came on the air and talked about jobs. However, he didn't say anything too pertinent, nothing market moving in his speech there. Now, as well in the US, we saw the Fed was selling under Operation Twist, so we've seen it buying, and as you probably know already, under Operation Twist they're going to both buy and sell $44 billion worth of treasuries. Now, elsewhere, looking at oil, we saw WTI crude gain a little bit today. However, it's been consolidating most of the gains from yesterday, so not too much movement in oil today. Now, for the rest of the session, there's not much left on the calendar. However, we are looking out for comments from US Treasury Secretary Geithner. However, he has already been on the wires today. But for now, that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of the session.